Hi, students of class 3. Today we will do simple addition of 6-digit number. Last day I have explained to you the properties of addition, and I think you have finished your CW and HW in the computer CW copy. Today we will find the sum of the given 6-digit numbers. Find the sum, that means we have to add the 6-digit numbers. Let's see what are there in the CW sums today. These are the CW sums of today. So let's start. Find the sum of. Two numbers are given. We have to find the sum. Simple addition you have done in class 2. Same rule we will follow over here. Okay. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 1 5. 7 plus 1 8. 3 plus 2 5. 7 plus 1 8. 6 plus 2 8. Now we will write the answer. Sum equals to 8,85,859. I think the sum is clear to all. Next, number B. 7 plus 9. 16. 6 came down. 1 is carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 came down. 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 1 down. 1 is carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 came down. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 came down. 1 is carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So, our answer is sum equals to 13,36,126. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 9, 12. 2 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So, our answer is sum equals to 14,27,601. Next sum. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 4, 13. 3 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 0 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So, our answer is 11,03,773. Clear everyone? Next sum. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 3 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 9 plus 3 is 12. So, our answer is 12,63,189. Next, last sum for today. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 came down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. So our answer is 8,77,034. So these are the CW work for today. This you will do it in the CW copy, Maths CW copy. Now let us see the HW work of today. This is the HW sum of today. 4 sums are given. You will do this in the Maths CW copy after finishing the Maths CW work. Okay. Now everyone has seen the CW and the HW work. Please finish it in the Maths CW copy, both the CW and the HW work. After that, please don't forget to send me the file for correction at dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. Stay at home. Stay healthy. Please finish your work. Don't forget it to send me, and bye-bye.